Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother and sisters? I hope you all be fine and happy in your life. So welcome back to our channel, Mr. Reaction. If you are new here, first of all, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. So today I am back with another reaction video. Today we are going to review. Its a video title is
BULE AMERIKA KAGET Perbandingan.
yeah, Kereta Api Indonesia versus America. Mana yang lebih bagus. So I think it's a comparison video again between this Indonesia and
America.
Yeah, so I hope it's going to be amazing. Come and let's enjoy together.
Mungkin kamu berpikir
Oh, it's about a train, I think.
canggih dan bersih.
It's a metro train.
Tapi tunggu dulu. Bagaimana kalau kenyataannya justru
What?
sebaliknya?
This is in America?
Bule Amerika banyak membandingkan dengan kondisi naik kereta api di Indonesia yang nyaman.
I think that's a
bersih,
drunk guy.
modern, dan layanan yang bagus. Yang membuat mata mereka melongo dan takjub melihat Indonesia.
Oh, so
Di
very
banyak kota
beautiful.
besar Amerika, kereta api
Yeah, it's an
umumnya
American
terlihat
train,
kotor
that's-
dan jorok. Tikus-tikus berkeliaran, toilet
So
yang
very
kotor,
dirty.
Very dirty.
bau yang
Yeah.
sedap menyengat, jarak
Oh,
menyengat. Banyak
even the
orang
tracks
yang
are
naik
dirty.
subway di New York ini akan menutup hidungnya
What is
karena
this?
tidak tahan
Oh.
dengan baunya. Tak jarang, gelandangan memenuhi
Look at the
That's
people,
smell.
yeah. There is a hell lot of
Mari kita
smell, that's
tonton
why.
video bagaimana joroknya salah satu kereta api di Amerika ini.
Also the rats. It's a very bad when you are drunk in this metro.
Who will sit here after?
Yeah.
Up in New York, we're on the subway. It smells like straight shit. Look at this. There's your little rat. And then you come down here, people regularly shitting on the wall.
Oh,
Shit.
so very dirty shit, guys.
Dirty
Yeah.
Realize that we are the last generation on Earth that knows what life was like before social media. Back
If your government give you this a good opportunity, so I think it's a very bad. Don't do that.
them without worrying
Especially
about
that the public
life.
place.
Conversation wasn't about notifications. It was about voices, laughter, and silences that didn't feel awkward.
Yeah, police should be tracked and arrest them. See, there is a
Rats
lot
and-
of rats.
If you got lost, you asked a stranger for directions, not a screen. If you wanted connection, you knocked on a
They are throwing everything on the tracks and
Yeah, it's a very bad. Look there.
what is this?
There have a pets also. She's drunk and she's behaving same like a dog. She don't know what she's doing.
Yeah.
Look.
What was that? Another day in New York.
Oh. Wow. Check the dress. The banana
What
dress.
is this?
Yeah. No boys. Check the reaction of that girl. Oh. Monster?
An alien.
Aliens. Oh.
Wow.
What is this? He's going to be crazy.
Yo, when you come to the subway platform and nobody is here, you know the train is not coming from midnight. It's not good vibes.
There's literally more rats.
Oh wow, they have another passenger,
See,
the
like,
red
half a
passengers.
dozen right now.
He's not alone.
Yeah. I don't believe is that America.
Yeah, we heard that America is a clean country.
Yeah.
and
karena takut itu juga bahaya kan. Di sini banyak homeless juga.
There have a lot of very strict
Kotor dan sebau.
rule and
Itulah
regulations,
kalau
but
ceritanya di
I don't know.
Amerika. Aku nggak tahan, cuman mau nunjukin
Why
buat
there
I
are-
can't see any
tahu
staff there
keadaan
on the
sesungguhnya.
subways.
Ini dia di salah satu mall yang lumayan gede di sini. Tadi aku naik train.
nice buildings there, but when you see inside the buildings and metros,
Agak ngeri-ngeri sih.
you won't believe that.
Akhirnya bisa nyampe di sini. Bagian-bagian lainnya sampah berserakan.
Look, everywhere is a
sampai
dustbins.
mall-mallnya sepi banget di sini. Even dari
But
mall
nobody
yang
use that
biasa aja
dustbins.
kayak gini, sampai mall yang sebagus tadi aja itu semuanya sepi.
They are
Bener-bener
throwing
kayak nggak ada
everywhere
kehidupan
where they
di
want.
Amerika.
Yeah.
Bagaimana menurut Anda? Kondisi layanan kereta api di Amerika.
No,
bagus sekali.
America we don't
Mari
like
sekarang
this.
kita bandingkan dengan kereta api Indonesia.
Who would like to travel
Rasa
like
takjub dengan keindahan,
that?
kenyamanan naik kereta api.
Everybody need a clean, and
Yeah.
especially cities, passengers also. If you have a bad behavior in this subway, so nobody will travel. It have no travel. I think this is Indonesia.
Very
Maybe.
clean, like in our.
Yeah. Look. Everything you have.
Ticket price only
Only.
0.4.
It's a very
This is
cheap.
Jakarta's new train system.
Really nice to be back in Jakarta. I really have to say I missed it. It was my favorite city in Indonesia so far. So let's get tickets to commuter line and commute to a nice restaurant. Oh yeah, commuter line. Okay. Hey guys, so now we need to take the commuter line back to Jakarta station.
Oh, it's a worst train, I think.
You only drive 15 minutes maybe. Now it gets quite
Oh wow, it's a totally full.
right outside of the city. It's like it back. Oh, yeah. It's finally back. It's
See, it is full, but they are not messing with the subway.
Yeah.
or throwing
Not like the
trash
America.
everywhere.
Yeah.
Look at this beauty.
It's a very
Oh my
clean.
God. Besides of the weather, guys. But it's quite.
Also, you check outside the metros there.
Downtown.
The roads everywhere. Yeah.
Yeah. clean.
As always, guys, I have to say the air is still good, and I feel not so like stressed like in Bangkok, for example.
This is Indonesia's new modern train.
The train looks way better than the last one actually. So it's a new generation train. Okay, guys.
Yeah, it's a new generation train. So.
So actually super nice seating here. It looks amazing. So new. I think.
Oh, it's a luxury sofas there.
Clean.
Yes. You feel very comfortable.
So I would say really good price value because they drive hours. 7 hours. I think it's really more.
Even it's not a very expensive.
7 hours.
7 hours.
They have paid 700,000.
There's actually back toilet and finger toilet. This one is actually quite nice.
Oh wow.
Even a big mirror.
Is there a toilet? Super luxury.
First time. So I would say great amenities. I have to say I'm really quite impressed by the Indonesian infrastructure, like travel-wise. And now, of course, also with the Bush, the system gets upgraded quite a lot.
It's a wash train.
There's a lot of development happening, especially on Java Island. Now I would also like to see if like Sumatra Island or other islands will also get this kind of treatment in the future, and how like the infrastructure will change in Indonesia.
Yeah, every blogger there do good for this wash, good review. Everybody like.
When American travels here.
Yeah. They have a big difference between America and Indonesia. Indonesia is a very clean country because it's a Muslim country. And Indonesian people show they have a good nation. Wash, oh wow.
besar dan nyaman dan
It's the
setiap
first class.
penumpang dapat tas kecil dengan roti, air, kacang dan coklat. Enak ya. Dan habis hanya 25 menit, kamu sudah sampai di stasiun Halim. Overall, kereta wush mahal banget, tapi nyaman,
See, they are greeting everyone who is
Yes.
coming
Bule
and going.
apresiasi kereta api Indonesia. Mas Bule sedang menaiki kereta komuter lain. Dia sangat senang melihat sesuatu yang jarang ia lihat di luar Indonesia, yaitu kereta yang lantainya sedang dipel.
Clean
Menurutnya,
train,
kereta di
yes.
Indonesia
No
umumnya
doubt.
sangat bersih dan Mas
See,
Bule
they are
sangat menghargai
cleaning
hal
it.
itu.
Yes.
But
Menurut
in
kalian,
America,
apa
there
perlu
is
gaji
no one
petugas
working on it.
kebersihan dinaikkan
They have
supaya
a lot
kereta
of
di Indonesia
trash.
lebih glowing gitu? Hihihi, komen ya.
Oh yeah, it looks like a mall. So there are so many nice food options here, and it smells.
Is it a
so good.
mall or this a
Really
metro
clean,
station?
everything is so organized.
Oh,
Amazing.
it's a very shocking.
Wow, I never had this service at the train. If someone is welcome.
Amazing, guys.
Hi. Oh my god! And look how futuristic and cool this train looks.
Check the shape.
It's the
Never had
fastest
this
train of
before.
Yeah,
Indonesia.
the bullet train.
Nice. tweeting, and oh my god, we're going 232. Whoa! Whoa, we're going 315. Oh my god! Okay, it's happening!
15 is a very high speed.
Wow. Okay, I will never complain.
Check, no sound inside.
Views are actually
Yeah.
so beautiful.
How smoothly they are going.
So I hope you enjoyed watching this video.
I hope you are also watching our reaction and videos.
Bahwa Indonesia mampu menghadirkan transportasi umum yang bukan hanya sekadar
Amazing view from here
tapi juga
when you're traveling in this.
kebanggaan bangsa karena perubahan itu nyata. Dan Indonesia membuktikannya pada dunia. Berikan komentar Anda perbandingan antara kereta api Amerika dan kereta api Indonesia. Jangan lupa untuk like, komen, dan subscribe, dan terima kasih sudah menonton. Sampai jumpa.
Yeah. Okay. Terima kasih guys for watching our video. It's a very big difference again between this America and Indonesia.
Huge difference.
Yeah, Indonesia is a very clean country, especially there I see the bullet train and wash train. So I don't think they have any. This is between this comparison.
No, it's no comparison.
Yeah, because it's a Muslim countries. We also like Indonesia. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like our reaction, tell me in the comments. Tell your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Okay, guys. Allah Hafiz.